Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to come upon an oasis in a desert? Well, you can have that experience if you decide to reside in this home. 1 acre of lush, well appointed land with a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 1 story house complete with swimming pool, surrounded by a large entertainment area and a beautiful landscaped front yard. If you want a quiet moment, wander down to the fish pond and watch over a dozen beautiful koi's swimming around. If you like to dabble into the culinary art, when various fruits come into season, you can make mango chutney from the Julie mango tree. Eat black mangoes to your heart's content. Make apple or cherry juice, mango nectar, guacamole from the 3 different types of avocados. Pick your fresh water coconuts, reap your bananas, roast a few breadfruits to go with the freshly picked ackees. Be adventurous and make some guava jam. The possibilities are endless if you really want the true Jamaican experience in the heart of cherry gardens and Norbrook in a quiet, coveted neighborhood known as Shortwood Drive. This is a must see. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.5 million, Jamaican $394.4 million, Canadian 3.5 million, or 1.9 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.